Hey beautifuls, I'm so excited to bring you guys this video. I'm just showing you guys how I refresh my home and get it nice and cozy for the fall. I know a lot of the homies have already started putting out their Christmas stuff, which I'm excited for too, but I'm not quite ready to pull out my trees and all that good stuff. So I'm just giving you guys some really simple inspo to get your house nice and cozy for fall. Everything I use in this video is either very affordable or free, y'all. I used a lot of stuff that I already had at home, like around the house from other rooms, and just move things around. These pumpkins are from Home Depot. They're real pumpkins. I got them each for around $3 and I spray painted them white. The can of spray paint was around maybe $3 or $4, and each of these mums were $3 as well. They are turning pink from the sun. They sit out in the front of my house obviously all day, and I love this color they're turning. So they are really, really beautiful, and this is just a really simple way to give your home some curb appeal. Okay, y'all, let's get into it. I was not kidding when I said I did not spend a lot of money. Everything that I used was stuff that I already had around the house. These pumpkins were from Target. They were $1 each, and I DIY'd them to make them white. I just got some of this sample paint that I just keep in my house just to just in case I need to touch up like my floorboards or my molding or something. So I already had this paint and I'm just painting over these words on the pumpkins. I don't know why they did that, but they were perfect pumpkins. I love the size. So when I seen them and when I seen that they were $1, I grabbed 3. I knew that I wouldn't need a lot of pumpkins for my home because I just don't like to overdo it with theme stuff, but I wanted it to go with the decor that I already had. So this is what they look like. Major key to refreshing your home or like changing things out seasonally is get furniture that is neutral so that you can switch the colors really easily. You can switch up the decor with your pillows or throw blankets or candles or like smaller things as opposed to buying all new furniture. So I love that my couches are a neutral color. I'm just pulling off those white pillows that I had for the summer, and I'm switching them out with some warmer, deeper colors. So browns, blacks, this deep green color you'll see me kind of play with throughout my home. Anything that's white or like a lighter green, like my greenery or my plants that are lighter green, I'm switching out for a deeper green. I kind of move stuff from upstairs and other rooms, pillows from other rooms. I highly recommend shopping your home before you go out and buy things. That way you see what you have and then you can add little decor pieces here and there, but you're not buying things every season. So here is my super simple table decor. I just switched out my white plant pots for black ones. This came in a set of 3. I got these plant pots from Amazon. They're great. They're super simple and they're the perfect size for your table. This flower arrangement I already had and I love it. I made it. It's perfect because it's like already neutral color, so it's really easy to like switch it out for different seasons. I just pulled out some of those lighter stems and I'm gonna add some of my fall candles to this little table. I believe it is Marshmallow Fireside from Bath and Body Works. That is my favorite fall and winter scent. Now I'm adding this pine cone stem that came in another like bouquet that I got from Home Goods. I just got this bouquet of like dried florals, and these were in there. I just stuck it down in here, and it just gave it like a little fall vibe. I love the way that that looks with the pampas grass. Oh, guys, if you are decorating with pampas grass, make sure you spray it with like some spritz or some got to be glued freeze spray, hairspray, guys. It sheds a lot, but it's so beautiful and fluffy, and adds like a great texture. So if you're decorating, make sure that you do that. As a little hack, it will stop it from shedding. But we're moving on to the dining room. I gotta tell y'all, this tray was a steal. I got it from Home Goods, super affordable. It's actually like a wall decor piece. It's a mirror, and when I seen it, I was like, this is gonna go on my dining room table. I've been looking for a tray for my dining room table. It's the perfect size, texture, and color. So I'm using it as a tray. These candle holders are from World Market. The candles are from Bath and Body Works. And these flowers were a gift from my mother-in-law. And of course, my DIY pumpkin. Okay, guys, I'm taking those pine cones again. This is really cool because honestly, you can go outside and get you some pine cones and get some glue and or a glue gun and make you some decor. So I just pulled out that white flower, stuck those in there. I'm taking away the white pillows and adding this black pillow, and I got my little, you know, what is that? My little bench decor.
All I ever wanted was to feel like I was home, yeah. Never take a penny for my soul, yeah. It ain't all about chicken. I should retire by 30. I should be there for my children. You either get busy dying or you could get busy living. I am so tired of fighting. I'm finna live out my vision, okay? I want everything, everything. Tell a hater you could rest in peace, rest in peace. I don't ever let it get to me, get to me. I want that chicken and the recipe. I don't want no fucking peace. I'm taking everything. I ain't perfect, but I hope you take.
Y'all, comment below if your favorite part of your cleaning routine is vacuuming. I love vacuuming. It just like makes, me so happy. And I always finish my cleaning with spraying my furniture and my curtains with a room scent. It's from Home Goods. It's just like a regular fresh like fall scent, and I'm lighting this candle from Bath and Body Works. It's mahogany teak wood, the intense one. It just makes my whole house smell so good. So now let's move on to our powder room, family room, kitchen situation. The next room. We're moving on to the next room. So I'm just taking these stems. I already had this pampas scratch in my bathroom, but these stems were from a bouquet that I got from Home Goods. It had that why can't I ever remember what they're called? The pine cones. The pine cones came with that. But guys, you can go outside and cut you some leaves or some stems from a tree and spray paint them black or like a dark green or black, or brown, and just make you some decor. So easy. Use what you have. Here I'm just switching out my hand towels to black ones. I already had that, and I moved this tray from my bathroom upstairs to downstairs because I just wanted to add some of those deeper colors in contrast with all the white and the creams going on in the bathroom. And I have this dark green candle here, and that's it. Now let's get into the family room. Also, guys, everything will be linked below, but I have a really detailed video on my living room and my family room kitchen go ahead and watch that if you really want to know where I got everything from. I'm going to try to link everything below, but definitely go back and watch that video if you want to see where I got everything.
They say I'm crazy, the way you got me open, baby. Ooh. They say I'm bugging, the way I'm top sweating your loving. Ooh. They all sit and wonder why this feeling I cannot hide. It ain't a question of pride. Ooh. It's love. Ooh. It's love. It's love. They say I'm crazy, the way you got me open, baby. Ooh. They say I'm bugging, the way I'm top sweating your loving. Ooh. They all sit and wonder why this feeling I cannot hide. It ain't a question of pride. Ooh. It's love. Ooh. It's love. It's love.
So as you can see, I didn't really change much in this room. I did pull off those white pillows just like I did in the living room and kept the other pillows. I added this pretty like cozy cream ivory color throw blanket to the couch just to make it, you know, comfy. And I'm adding some of these dark green stems to this white flower arrangement just to add some contrast and some texture. I added this little pumpkin. It was $1 from Target in their little seasonal area when you first walk in the store. This candle, I believe, is from Marshall's or TJ Maxx, something like that. I'm not crazy about TJ Maxx and Marshall's, those type of stores candles, but they always have like great seasonal colors. So I do keep the actual like glass that it comes in, and I will like add a smaller candle inside once it burns down. But I just prefer my Bath and Body Works candles for scents, but I love the color. So now I am moving on to the kitchen table. You know, I'm going to keep it really simple over here again. Just wiping it down. I have this DIY mirror tray that I made. And I'm going to keep the same floral arrangement and just add, you know, a couple of stems just to make it fuller, and some of those leaves that I pulled out of the floral arrangement in the living room. So here I am, and I'm gonna also add another one of those pine cones. So real simple, that's what I'm doing here, and I'm gonna add my DIY pumpkin, and that is my kitchen table situation.
Everything, 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 everything. I want everything. Yeah. This that wake up Sunday morning, clean your crib all day, yeah. This that, yeah, I love you, but it's time we separate, yeah. This that I don't hit the gym, but I've been losing weight. Bonsai tree up in my window, give it water, love, and patience. This that get your money independent, fuck a deal, ayy. This that do what's good for you, so fuck how they feel, yeah. This that spend a week up in the mountains, deal, son. Marry someone that go 50-50 when the bill come. Love you cause you love me at my low. I couldn't have done it on my own, nah. All I ever wanted was to feel like I was home, yeah. Never take a penny for my soul, yeah. It ain't all about chicken. I should retire by 30. I should be there for my children. You either get busy dying or you could get busy living. I am so tired of fighting. I finna live out my vision, okay? I want everything, everything. Tell a hater you could rest in peace. Rest in peace. I don't ever let it get to me.
I didn't need to do this, but I don't know. I just wanted something here, and I felt like it needed to be like a deeper green. So this plant is from upstairs in my hallway. I just moved it here, and I think it fits perfectly. And that's it, guys. Our house is cozy and refreshed and ready for Thanksgiving, a Friendsgiving, a cozy night in, whatever the vibes is given, y'all. Comment below and let me know what you think. Comment below and let me know if you switch up, you know, stuff in your house seasonally or regularly. Like, y'all, I'm always moving something around. always moving something around. So this was fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up and check out some of my other videos. I will see you in the next one. Bye, beautiful. Sending so much love to y'all.
Everything, everything. I want everything. Yeah. This that wake up Sunday morning, clean your crib all day, yeah. This that yeah, I love you, but it's time we separate, yeah. This that I don't hit the gym, but I've been losing weight. Bonsai tree up in my window, give it water, love, and patience. This that get your money independent, fuck a deal, ayy. This that do what's good for you, so fuck how they feel, yeah. This that spend a week up in the mountains just to heal, son. Marry someone that go 50-50 when the bill come. Love you cause you love me at my low. I couldn't have done it on my own, nah. All I ever wanted was to feel like I was home, yeah. Never take a penny for my soul, yeah. It ain't all about chicken. I should retire by 30. I should be there for my children.